For years, the standard DMARC rollout advice was to set a strict policy, but add PCT equals 10. So only 10% of failing mail was affected, then ramp it up. A gentle on-ramp, and it worked, because every receiver honored the PCT tag. Then DMARCbis happened. As of RFC 99989, the PCT tag is removed. Receivers that follow the new standard do not read it at all. So watch what your record now does. A record of P equals quarantine. PCT equals 10 no longer means quarantine 10%. The PCT part is ignored, and the policy is just P equals quarantine. Every failing message gets quarantined, 100%, not the 10 you intended. Here is why that is dangerous. If you leaned on a low PCT to stay safe while you were still fixing alignment, that safety net is gone. Any legitimate sender you have not aligned yet can suddenly land in spam. So how do you stage a rollout now? You use the T flag. Declare the stricter policy you want and add T equals Y for test mode. Receivers apply the next lower policy and tag it in your reports. So P equals reject behaves like quarantine, and P equals quarantine behaves like none. You see what enforcement would do with a softer, real effect. When the reports look clean, you remove T equals Y and the full policy takes effect. The old way was to ramp PCT from 10 to 100. Do not do that anymore. The new way, publish the strict policy with T equals Y, watch the reports, then drop T equals Y to enforce. If you are not sure whether your record still carries a PCT tag, PhishFence flags it and shows you the safe T equals Y version to publish instead. Start free at phishfence.io.